Good morning, students. We are discussing the chapter Fundamental Operations and these problems. So this question came in Sainik School 2020. All of you try this question. Ram, Rahul and Rohit shared a bag of marbles. The bag contained 272 marbles. How many marbles were left over after the friends shared them equally? A simple question. All of you try this, and if you are interested, you can answer. Is this Neeraj or Vamshika?
Hello, sir.
Vamshika?
Sir,
Neeraj?
Sir Neeraj.
Where is Vamshika?
Sir, yes, sir.
Vamshika is there?
Yes, sir. Vamshika is there.
Okay, Vamshika is willing to answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vamshika, good morning. Vamshika, are you there? Vamshika, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the question.
Ram, Rahul and Rohit shared a bag of marbles. The bag contained 272 marbles. How many marbles were, uh, were left over after the friends shared their equally?
Okay, you understood the question, Vamshika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain again? There are
Sir,
three friends who are sharing the marbles. How many marbles are there?
sir, 272.
Are they sharing equally?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, now which operation we have to do it?
Sir, division.
Okay, which number we have to divide by which number?
Sir, 3.
Which number we have to divide? What is the dividend we have to take?
Sir, dividend. 3.
Divisor is 3. You are dividing by 3. But which number you are dividing? How many marbles are there?
2.
272. You divide by 3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Can you help me in doing this division?
3 nines are.
3 nines are 27, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you can continue now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next what we have to do?
Sir, take 2.
0, 2. Okay. Next,
Sir, point.
not point. Use one more 0 because we have taken down 2 now. Use 0. 3 zeros are 0 and this is 2. This is the remainder, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
taking down a digit, you must take 0, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the quotient?
Yes, sir.
What is the quotient we got?
90.
What is the remainder?
2.
That means, what is this 90 indicating? Can you tell me, Vamshika?
Sir, 90.
Yes, what is this 90 indicating?
Sir, shared them equally.
That means 90. What is the meaning of this 90? Each person is receiving 90 marbles, right?
Yes, sir.
How many left over?
Sir, 2.
That means this is a remainder is left over. So these many marbles are left over. So which option is correct?
Sir, option A.
Okay, all of you can copy this and try the next question. Okay, I'll show the next question later. You copy the solution first. Yes. Next question. Aleph can try the next one. Yes, this is the next question. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying it by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Try this. Anyone got the answer? Can raise the hand. Arush, can you explain this question? Arush, can you explain?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Arush, am I audible to you?
No, sir.
Arush, now.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Arush, check your chat box. Okay, Arush, you try to leave the class and join again. Pranay, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the question?
A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying it by 56. How much was it his answer greater than the correct answer?
Okay, what we have to do?
723 into 65 minus
Is it 723?
7236.
Okay. So actually, this number 7,236 should be multiplied by which number?
56.
Okay, but he multiplied by,
65.
so he will be getting the answer more than the required answer or less than the required answer.
More than the required answer.
So how much more? How to find that?
Sir, 7236
Yes.
multiplied by 65.
Okay.
7236
Hmm.
multiplied by 56.
Okay.
56.
Okay.
Sir, we can use distributive property.
Yeah, very good. We can use distributive property. So instead of multiplying them separately, then you can go for distributive property. Okay. So we should subtract them, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which can be taken common here?
7236 common bracket
Yes, very good.
65 minus 56.
What is 65 minus 56?
9.
9. So simply you multiply by 9. I told you a shortcut to multiply any number by 9. Do you remember, Pranay?
No, sir.
9 is close to one round figure. What is that?
10.
So can we write 9 as 10 minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Now again use distributive property. Will it be 7236 into 10 minus 7236 into 1?
Yes, sir.
So what is 7236 into 10?
72360.
What is 7236 into 1?
7236.
Okay, subtraction is easy, no?
Sir, 65124.
What is 60 minus 34? Sorry, 36?
Sir, 24.
24. And 3 minus 2?
1.
1. And what is 72 minus 7?
65.
So answer is 65,124. He got this much more than the required answer. So which option is correct?
Sir, option B.
Answer B. Yes, Pranay, very good. You can mute yourself. All of you can copy this solution. Next question. All of you try the next one. There are 17 rooms in a school. Every room has 2 fans and 4 LED bulbs. How many switches are required for the school if every fan requires a switch and one switch is required for every 2 bulbs? Yes, Rishikesh, can you answer the question?
Sir, sir,
First read the question again.
sir, I want to copy last question, sir.
Why are you writing slow, Rishikesh? First look at the next question and read.
Okay, sir. There are 17 rooms in a school. Every room has 2 fans and 4 lead bulbs.
LED
How
bulbs.
many lead bulbs?
LED
How many?
bulbs.
LED bulbs. How many switches are required for this school? If every fan requires a switch and one switch is required for every two bulbs.
You want to say answer or you want time to solve?
Sir, I want time to solve.
Okay, take time and solve it. Neeraj, can you answer this question?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, go ahead, Neeraj.
sir, there are 17 rooms.
Yes.
Sir, in each room there is two fans and four bulbs.
Yes.
Sir, first addition, sir.
Okay, first I want, okay, what do you want to do?
Sir, fans plus bulbs, sir.
If you add them, what will you get? Total number of fans and bulbs.
Sir, 6.
Okay. But the required number of switches they're asking. Every fan requires how many switches?
Okay, sir. Sir, one.
One switch, right?
Yes, sir.
And two bulbs require how many switches?
2.
Read the question properly. See how
Okay.
many switches are required for the school if every fan requires a switch. And you look at this last line. One switch is required for every two bulbs. That means two bulbs require one switch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't concentrate on the 17 rooms. You concentrate on only one room. In one room, there are two fans. There are four LED bulbs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is fan. Two fans are there. And four LED bulbs are there. Bulb. Okay. For this fan, you need one switch.
Yes.
For this fan, you need one switch.
1.
Yeah. What
Sir,
about two bulbs?
2.
Two bulbs together, one switch, right?
Yes, sir.
Two bulbs together, again one switch, right?
Yes, sir.
That means in one room, how many switches are required?
Sir, in one room, 2 switches are required for bulb.
For all the fans and bulbs, I'm asking.
Sir, 4.
Four. One, two, three, four, right? So
Yes,
one
sir.
room, four switches. Can't you find for 17 rooms?
Yes, sir. 17 into 4.
First, find the number of switches required for one room. That is, two fans are there. Each fan required one switch. Plus,
Yes,
there are four bulbs. Two bulbs require one switch. So I have to divide by two, right? This will give
yes,
the
sir.
number of switches for one room. So for 17 rooms, we can simply multiply this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what are you going to get? 17 into 2 into 1 is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 17 fours are how much?
Sir, 17. Sir, 68.
So the answer is B. Understood, Neeraj?
Yes, sir.
You're not reading the entire question properly.
Yes, sir.
First, understand the question properly, everything, all the sentences, and then try to apply. You're simply adding the two fans and four bulbs. Then you won't get number of switches. First, find number of switches for one room and then simply multiply. Okay, you can copy this now. Yes, Arush, you said in the chat box you can hear me now. So try to solve the next question. Remaining students keeping quiet: Sarsha, Nishil, Surya, Litiksha, Bhuvana, Sudeshna, Sharath, Ritvik, Jeshvi, Manaswini, Srivalli, Srivatsav, Samatvika, Himateja, Snehal, Shanai, Harshavardhan, Varshita, Abhiram, Jayvant, Abhyuday, Sriradhya, Nishika, Pranay, Rishikesh. All of you are keeping quiet. Okay, next question. Try the next question, all of you. This question came in 2019 exam. Which of the following two-digit numbers, when added to 27, gets reversed? Which of the following two-digit numbers, when added to 27, gets reversed? Arush, can you give the answer? Arush,
Sir, option is C.
option is C. Can you say how?
Sir, when we add 47
Yes.
and 27, we will get the 74.
Yes, that means 47 is reverse the digits, right?
Yes, sir.
So this question we have to depend on options. Check each option. We got the option at C. That is 27 plus 47. We are going to get 74. Now, by adding 27, 47, the digits got reversed to 74. So option C. Very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arish. You can mute yourself. Everybody copy this. And even you can try the next question after you copy this. The next question is a number that must be subtracted from 9,25,564 to make it equal to the sum of 2,34,251 and 3,52,421 will be. So as the textual solution is given for the previous question, we can take the digits as x and y, and you can use this place values also and can find, but we can depend on the options to get the answer easily. Try the next question, all of you. Shana, can you answer this question? Can you answer this question?
Yes, sir. First we can do addition with addition of 2, 3, 4, 2, 1.
Okay, what are they asking? A number that must be subtracted from this number to make it equal to the sum of these two. Suppose we don't know the number what we are going to find. Let us call it x. So what is the equation we can write involving x?
Sir, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1.
Okay, continue.
Sir,
Continue.
2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1 plus
Yes.
3, 5, 2, 4, 2, 1.
Okay. See, I'm asking you equation. See, they're asking this number 9,25,564. From this, they're asking a number to be subtracted. But which number we don't know? Can we call it x?
Yes, sir.
If you subtract that, it will be equal to the sum of the remaining numbers. How can we write the sum of the remaining numbers? 2,34,251 plus
Yes,
3,52,420. Right?
yes, sir.
Now I want the value of x minus x. If you transpose to the right side, will become
Plus,
plus x, right?
yes, sir.
These two are positive. If you transpose them to the left side, they will become negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the next equation we can write? 9,25,564. So first I'm transposing these two numbers to the left side. So they'll become negative, both of them. Minus 234, 2,34,251 minus 3,52,421. Now minus x I'm
420.
transposing to the right side, I'll get plus x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can do in two ways. First, you can subtract this number from this, and then from remaining number, you can subtract this. That is one way. What is another way, Shanai?
Sir, another way.
Yes.
Sir, what, sir? Again.
See, from a number, we want to subtract two numbers separately. Then what we can do
Yes,
is, you can add these two first and subtract the sum from this number. Then also you'll get the result.
yes, sir.
Then what we do is, we can take this minus symbol common. Again, use distributive property. Taking minus symbol common means you're taking minus 1 common. 925564.
564
You open the bracket now. 234251 plus
plus.
52421. That is equal to x. That means we have to add these two
Sir,
first, then subtract from this
sir,
number. Right?
sir, we get addition
Okay.
5,86,672.
Yeah, let's do that here. 234251 plus
3, 5, 2, 4, 2, 1.
352421. Yes.
2, 1. Sir,
27.
2.
Yes. So you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Now, next operation is subtraction, right?
Subtraction.
925564. From this, we are subtracting 586672. Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2.
Sir, 4 minus 2, 2.
Yes.
Sir, we
Next,
can take carry.
borrow. 16 minus 7. It's not carry, it's borrow.
Sir,
16,
16 minus 7, 9.
9. Next, 14
Sir,
minus 6.
14. 8.
Again, 14 minus
Sir,
6,
8.
8. Now, 11
Sir,
minus
8 minus 11.
11 minus 8,
Sir,
3.
3.
8 minus 5,
Sir, 3.
3. So this is the answer. 338892. Which option?
Sir, 3388. Sir, C.
Yes, answer C is correct. Okay, Shana, you can mute yourself now. So Shana, you practice writing equations involving x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can mute yourself now. Copy this, all of you. Okay, we'll go to the next question now. So after this is the next one. The cost of a pack of 15 balls is 300 rupees and a pack of 12 shuttlecock is 96 rupees. If Raghu bought one ball and one shuttlecock, then how much would he pay to the shopkeeper? Try this question, all of you. Snehal, you said you cannot see the screen. Leave the class and join again. Ashwardhan, can you answer this?
Sir?
Can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
Read the question first.
The cost of a pack of 15 balls is 300 and the pack of 12 shuttlecock is 96. If Raghu bought one ball and one shuttlecock, then how much would he pay to the shopkeeper?
Yes. What is the cost of one ball?
Sir, we want to divide 300 by 15.
Yes, 15 balls cost is 300. You have to divide by 15. You'll get the cost of each ball, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, 15 ones are 15 20s are.
Okay, we'll do that. Plus, I want the cost of one shuttlecock.
Sir, 96 divided by 12.
96 divided by 12. Now you can do cuttings. Yes.
Sir, 15 20s are.
15 ones and 15 twos are 30 and this is 0. Next 12 table directly 96 we can
Yes, sir.
divide
12 eights are.
12 ones and 12 eights. 20 plus 8, it is 28. So how much you need to pay to the shopkeeper?
Sir, 28.
28 rupees. Which option? D.
D.
All of you can copy this.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, this chapter for after in maths, what you will start, sir?
After this, we're going for simplification.
Simplification. Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you can copy this now. Okay, next question. All of you try to solve the next question. So these are the problems related to the fundamental operations, what problems we have discussed. Next chapter, we're going to start simplification. In simplification, we're going to discuss one rule called V-board mass. And after that, we'll continue. So what is this V-board mass rule? This is the order of operations we have to solve. So first we need to simplify vinculum. You have to search for vinculum. What is vinculum? I'll explain. After that, we are going to discuss what is bracket. We have to open the brackets, and after that we have to deal with off, and after that you have to deal with division, and after that you have to deal with multiplication. You remember Weber-Morse rule up to m only. This a and s you have to deal separately. Most of the people will confuse students, and they will see plus sign and they'll do it. They whenever they see minus sign, they'll do it later. It's not about that. Addition and subtraction means, what does it mean? It means add. A for addition, add all the similar signs, positive signs you have to add together, and negative signs you have to add together. Then between them you have to apply the subtraction. That is the meaning. So whenever example comes, I'll explain what does it mean. But it's simply not. It does not mean that first do plus symbol then do minus. It's not like that. First addition. That means add all the positive terms, add all the negative terms. Between them you find the subtraction. That is difference. So A for addition and S for subtraction. So all of you can copy this. So this is the order we are going to solve. Copy this. Vinculum, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. I'll explain what is vinculum first. Vinculum means it is also a type of bracket, but it should be done first before any operation. For example, I have something like 5 minus 2 plus 1, but this 2 plus 1 is under the bar, that is vinculum. So this is also a type of bracket. So first we need to solve the vinculum. Under the vinculum we have 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what we can do? 5 minus 3. So the answer is 2. So this is vinculum. And brackets. What is bracket? There are actually three types of brackets we are going to use. One is, these are called small brackets. These are called small brackets. Okay, we discussed already this one. This is called vinculum. Above the number that we are going to use, these are small brackets, and these are called flower brackets. Flower brackets are also called curly braces. And the next one is this square brackets. For example, I have something like 27 minus square bracket open, 4 plus 3 minus flower bracket open, 1 plus small bracket open, 3 minus 2 small bracket close, flower bracket close, square bracket close. So here you remember one thing, always bracket should be opened from innermost bracket to outermost bracket. So the small bracket is innermost and just outside is the flower bracket and outside is square bracket. So first we have to deal with the small bracket, that is 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So this type of questions, even in the exam, final exam, I suggest not to do with the pen. Okay, do it with pencil and eraser. Why? Because simply you don't waste time in writing all the steps. Okay, take eraser. So I have eraser here. Simply erase this part 3 minus 2. Write what is it mean. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Just write here 1. Then deal with the flower bracket. So this flower bracket term is 1 plus 1. Okay. So this 1 plus 1, this part will be equal to 2. Erase everything here. Flower brackets part. So this, I'm erasing everything and I'm writing 2 here. So this is 2. Just a second, students. Selection is not working here. Yes, now you can see this. So we got 1 plus 1 is 2. You can write here 2. Now, inside the square bracket, so as I told you, addition and subtraction, if both symbols are there, first add all the positive terms. 4 is positive, 3 is positive. So 4 plus 3 is 7. From 7 you subtract 2, that is 5. So erase everything here and write 5. So this part will be gone, and here we are going to get 5, and the final answer is 22. So this is the way we are going to do. And I'll take more examples to make you understood. This is bracket. Then off. What do you mean by off? Off means simply multiplication only. Off means simply multiplication only. But this should be done before division also. Before doing division, we have to deal with off. And after that, division operation, multiplication operation, and addition and subtraction. These fundamental operations we know already. So this order we have to follow. So let's take examples so you'll understand. So I'll take a better example from, I want a vinculum. Yeah, maybe I didn't have a vinculum question here, but I'll take one. All of you try to solve this question. This question came in 2023 exam. Which of the given statement is true? Which option is correct? Solve all the options. Wherever you get LHS equal to RHS, that will be the correct answer. Mayuk, will you answer this? Mayuk, will you answer this? Mayuk?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mike. We want to check all the options. How can I check option A is correct or not? True or false?
The B part must.
Shall we write the option first?
Yes, sir.
Option A we are checking. That is, I think you're not able to see if I write here. Okay. Can you see Mayuk if I write here?
Yes, sir.
21 minus 15 minus 6, that is equal to 21 minus 15 minus 6. We want to check this is correct or not. Okay. Now let us solve LHS and RHS separately. So I want to simplify LHS. Okay. Can we use this eraser, pencil and eraser method to erase and write?
Yes, sir.
So this one, what should be done first?
So
Okay.
bracket.
Use V board mass. Is there any vinculum? No.
No.
Is there any bracket? Yes.
Yes.
So first we have to deal with the bracket. What is 21 minus 15?
6.
Yes. So erase this part. Erase this part and write here 6. Now what is this 6 minus 6?
0.
So erase this part and write 0 here. And next we have to deal with the RHS. In RHS, V board mass. Is there any vinculum?
No.
Next bracket.
Yes.
Okay, remove this bracket. And what is 15 minus 6?
Sir, 9.
9. And 21 minus 9?
Sir, 12.
12. So 0 is equal to 12. This is the simplest form of the given equation. Is this true or false?
False.
It is false, right? Next. Option B. 14 into 36 divided by 6 minus 10 is equal to 84. So LHS we have to simplify. 4 different operations are there. Okay, again you go for V board mass. Is there any vinculum?
No.
Bracket
Sir, no.
of
Sir, no.
division.
Yes.
So we have to deal with this first. 36 divided by 6.
6.
Okay, instead of this place, you just write 6. So use pencil and eraser and try to erase this part 36 divided by 6 and just write 6 here. Okay, next operation
So multiplication.
14 times 6. What is the answer?
84.
84. Next subtraction is left. 84 minus 10. What is that?
So 74.
Yeah, we got 74 equal to 84. Is this true or false?
So false.
False. And next option C. 93 into 63 minus 93 into 37. Want to get it equal to 9300. It is true or false? Okay. Mayuk, how you want to solve this?
Sir, 93 is common.
Yes. Before you do normal, we would must like multiply this, you get a number, multiply this, you get a number, subtract. No. Better you can go for distributive property because 93 is common factor for both the terms. So you can take 93 common first. So you take 93 common. So 63 minus 37. This should be equal to 9300. Okay. Now, what is 60? We can check like this. 93 multiplied by which number will give you 9300? 93
Sir,
multiplied by which number? You get 9300? 100. But definitely this is not giving 100, right? 63 minus 37.
yes, sir.
Instead of minus, if you have plus, that would be correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Here only we can say it is false
Yes.
because 93 into some other number other than 100 won't be 9300. False. Next option D we are checking. That is 25 plus 49 divided by 7 into 5 minus 6. We should get it equal to 54. Okay, which operation we should do first? V for vinculum not there. B for bracket not there. Is off there? Off?
Sir,
No.
sir, no.
Division. What is this 49 minus 7?
So divided by 7.
49 divided by 7 is 7. And next, which operation we need to do?
So multiplication.
Yes, what is this 7 times 5?
So 35.
35. Next, what I told you, whenever you reach plus and minus signs, add all the positive signs, add all the negative signs. Can I add these two first?
Yes, sir.
25 plus 35?
So 60.
Yes, 60 minus 6. Now you can do it. What is 60 minus 6?
So 54.
So we got finally the true equation, that is 54 equal to 54. Is this true?
Yes, sir.
So which option is correct?
So D.
So the answer for this question is D. Okay, very good, Mayur. You can mute yourself now. All of you copy this. See the textual solution also, they gave step-by-step process. Instead of doing step-by-step process, you can save time and space by using pencil and eraser method. I suggest you to follow this method in exam. Next question. All of you try the next question. 9 plus square bracket open 6 plus 7 of 3 minus small bracket open 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Small bracket close, square bracket close. Try to solve this, everyone. Himateja, can you answer this question? Himateja?
Sir, I want to give answer this.
Yeah. First, which operation we need to do? Okay, let
Small.
me write the expression once again. That is 9 plus square bracket open 6 plus 7 of 3 minus small bracket open 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 close close. Okay, V Bodemas. Is there any vinculum in this?
No, sir.
Vinculum is there?
No.
Bracket?
Uh,
How many brackets are there?
2.
Two brackets. Which bracket we have to solve first?
Small bracket.
The innermost bracket is this small bracket. This one we have to solve. But in this we have plus, minus and divide. Which one we have to do first?
Division.
Division. What is this 6 divided by 2?
3.
So instead of that, you can just write 3 here. Okay. So this is 3. I'm using pencil and eraser method. Okay. I'm not writing all the steps. You understood this pencil and eraser method? Erasing that part and writing the next number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you do this. So 9 is positive or negative?
Positive.
2 is positive or negative?
Negative.
2 is positive. You have to check the sign before it, not after it. Plus 2 means positive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3 is positive or negative?
Negative.
So first add all the positive terms. What is this 3 plus 2? Sorry, 9 plus 2?
11.
11 minus 3.
11 minus 3, 8.
So in this bracket, there is only 8 remaining. So you can remove this bracket now and write 8. Okay. So this is 8. Okay. Now coming to the square bracket. Which operation we have to do first? Plus,
Ah,
off, minus. Off we should do. Off is nothing but multiplication, right?
yes, sir.
What is 7 of 3?
Yes.
What is 7 of 3 value?
Uh, 21.
Yes, you can write 21. Now you can take the positive signs. 6 is positive, 21 is positive, 8 is negative. First we can add positive. 21 plus 6,
21 plus 6, 27.
27 minus 8,
27 minus 8, 22.
27 minus 8.
Sir, wait. Sir, 19.
Yes. Now can we remove the entire bracket and write 19 here?
Yes, sir.
What is 9 plus 19?
28.
28. So which option is correct?
Sir, option D.
Option D. So it's D for this. If you want to write step-by-step process, you can follow this textual solution. Okay, Himateja, understood how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy this.
Sir, can I leave the class now?
Yeah, you can mute yourself, Himateja.
No, sir, can I leave the class now?
Why you have the English class now?
No, sir, my father was going to duty.
Okay, okay, you can go. But go through the recorded lecture later.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, after this problem, we are going to start English. Yeah, Abhiday, can you answer the question? Manaswini? Manaswini, read 19th question.
Sir, Dash is happy with him.
Dash is happy with him. All is happy with him. They is happy with him. Nobody is happy with him. We is happy with him.
Nobody is happy with him.
Why did you choose nobody? Why don't you choose all, they, we?
Sir, all is happy with them. It is not a correct sentence, sir.
Why it's not correct?
Sir, why? Because all is happy with him.
See, this is used for singular noun or plural noun.
Singular.
Singular. But all is not singular, right?
Yes, sir.
They also singular or plural.
Sir, they are plural.
All is plural. We can remove this. They is plural. We also plural. Only thing remaining, nobody is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer the next question also?
Yes, sir. We have solved our sums. Have you solved dash?
Yeah, have you solved dash?
Yours.
See, we became our, right?
Yes, sir.
This is possessive pronouns. And you, what is possessive pronoun?
Uh,
Have you solved ours? Have you solved yours? Have you solved hers? Have you solved mine?
have you solved yours?
Yes, yours is correct. Option B. Very good. Next question. Manaswini.
He is for poet. Dash is for lion.
Okay. For poet, we are using the pronoun he. For lion, what we have to use? He, she, it, they.
It's sir.
Yes, it we have to use an it for animals. Okay. And lion is singular. That's why you have to use it. Okay. Okay, very good, Manaswini. You can mute yourself. Next student who is going to answer the questions. Samatvika, can you answer the next question? Samatvika, read 22nd question.
Sir.
Yeah, read 22nd question.
Yes, sir. We is poop. Sir.
Plural. Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
We is plural of I.
Yes.
Dash is plural of it.
Yes. Tell me.
Uh,
Singular. It. Plural. What we have to say?
the plural they.
Yeah, very good. Correct answer. It plural is they. Next, read the 23rd question.
Himself is first. He
Yes.
dash is for they.
That means these are reflexive pronouns. He, himself, they.
They ourselves.
No, wrong answer. Ourselves is for we. We ourselves.
Okay.
They, what is the reflexive pronoun?
So them.
Yeah, which one? Option B or option C?
Option B.
Themself. They is plural, no? I said for plural we don't get self, we get selves, which is correct answer.
C.
C is correct. Okay, Samatvika, you can mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Varshita, can you answer the next two questions? Varshita, read 24th problem.
Who is for man, which is for dash.
Okay. For man,
Sir,
use who. For what we are going to use which.
sir for car.
Yes, car. Which is used for objects, that is car. Correct answer. And 25th one, read the question.
Sir, ours is for we, dash is for he.
Yes. Possessive
Sir,
pronoun. We's possessive pronoun is ours. For he,
Is.
Is correct answer. Very good. You can mute yourself, Arshita, now. Okay, this is about the pronouns. All of you can copy these questions. We're going to start the next chapter after pronouns. Verb and modal. All of you copied this? Next chapter. Verb and modal. Yes. So first we're going to discuss what is verb. So as you can see this, a word that denotes an action or state of being is called a verb. So it is action words. Some action should happen or state of being also. Like he plays football. So there is an action in the word plays. There is an action. And she is jumping on the floor. The action is happening in the word jumping. And state of being means, suppose we say something like apple is red. Apple is red. Apple is red. So here the state of being apple is. So is also a verb. It is called auxiliary verb or helping verb. So that is called state of being. Which state is it? Is, or, etc. So types of verb we are going to discuss now. So this is the types of verb. Verbs are of two types, principal verb and auxiliary verb. And auxiliary verb there are two types again, linking verb and modal verb. So what is principal verb first? This is principal verb. Action words that came from helping verb are called principal verb. These are the words that indicate the main action. So what is the main action that is happening in the sentence? That is called principal verb. Raju plays football. So what is the action word here? Plays. Samir does not drink milk. Here, does not is the helping verb and drink is the action word. The word which is coming after the helping verb or the main verbs or the principal verbs. So in the second example, Samir does not drink milk. What is the principal verb in this? Drink. Next we discuss what is auxiliary verb. Verbs that help the formation of tense and its mood are called the auxiliary verbs. They are also called helping verbs. It includes do, does, did, is, am, was, were, has, have, had, can, could, should, may, might, etc. So these are all come under auxiliary verbs. He is a student. What is auxiliary verb in this? He. is. She was a cute girl. Auxiliary verb is was. Auxiliary verb also called helping verb. Next we discuss about linking verb. What is linking verb? Words that connect the subject of a sentence to its verb or action are called linking verb. So the words which are connecting the subject and the action words are called linking verbs. It helps in the formation of tense and mood of the sentence. Helping or linking verb of present tense are is, am, are, do, does, has, have, etc. She is a doctor. So is connecting the subject of the sentence, that is she, and the action verb, that is she is a doctor. We do not punish him. Do not is connecting we and punish. So linking verb of past tense also was, were, did, had, etc. He was an engineer. He did not, we did not punish him. So was and did not are linking verbs. Next we discuss what are modal verbs. Words that denote the mode of action of the main verb are called modal verbs. So the mode of action, in which mode it's happening, it includes can, could, may, might, would, shall, should, might. These are all come under modal verbs. So in which mode the action is happening. And uses of some important modals we are going to discuss now. So first we discuss about can and could. When to use can and when to use could. Can is used in the following ways. Ravi can speak this language. This shows his ability. He can lift a heavy boom. This shows his power. She can enter the room. This shows permission is given. Could is used in the following ways to show ability, possibility, and power. She could walk in the ramp. Ability. She could meet him. Possibility. They could complete their task. Power. Then we discuss the usage of may. May is used in the following ways for wish, permission, and possibility. So may we live long? That is our wish. May I sit there? We're asking permission. It may rain heavily, possibility. And would is used in the following sense, that is past habits. It's the habit is not now, but it is past habit. Mohan would study at 5 o'clock. It's a past habit. Now request. We request somebody, would you give me your book? So there's a request. For requesting also we use would. Would you like to have tea? So we are offering something also, we can use the word would. And next should. Should is for compulsion. That means it must happen. Compulsion or obligation. Both are same. So this is should is used in the following ways. For duty, for advice, or for obligation. Duty means somebody have to do their work, their assigned work. The police should arrest the thief. What's the duty of police? Should arrest the thief. Advice. You should work regularly. If you do this, you get better results. You are giving advice. You should work regularly. Obligation. That means compulsion. You should be done compulsory. We should respect our elders. That is an obligation. So for obligation also we use should. And next we discuss must. When we are going to use must. So the word must is used in the following ways. For prohibition, that means we are not giving the permission. Obligation, compulsion, and necessity, it is very necessary for us. Prohibition. We must not see this. This is very terrifying. We must not see this. Obligation. You must pay your fee on time. So there is an obligation. Compulsion. Necessity. Soldiers must beat him in the battle. Okay. So here the verb is missing. Soldiers must beat him in the battle or kill him in the battle. So must, it is a necessity. And next we are going to use shall or will. Shall or will are used in the following ways. I shall meet my parents. I will help you. I shall means there is a possibility. I may or may not. But will means definitely I am planning to meet. I will help you. Definitely I am going to help you. They will attend his marriage function. So it's a compulsion. They plan to attend. So next list of some verbs, forms of verbs. That's V1, V2, V3. Very, very important. So all of you must practice them. First form of the verb, second form of the verb, and third form of the verb. So I'm going to give some examples for that. And you must remember. Okay, here are some examples. First, forms of verbs. Forms of verbs. V1, V2, V3. So you can see this first form, second form, and third form. This is called V1. This is called V1. And this is V2. This is V3. Beat, bet, beaten. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bet, bet, bet. Bid, bid, bid. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. So remember them. Few more examples. Next, V1, V2, V3, next one. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Drive, drove, driven. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. And next a few examples. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit. Hold, held. Hurt. Keep, kept. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid. Lead, led. Leave, left. Lend, lent. Next few examples. let, lie, lay, lane, lose, lost, lost, make, made, made, mean, meant, meant, meet, met, met, pay, paid, paid, put, read, read, read. So the spellings are same, but pronunciation is different for read. You can see read, 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 ride, rode, ridden, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen, run, ran, run, say, said, see, saw, seen. So these are the examples. And few questions we are going to start today. So all of you try to answer these questions. So the exercise direction is fill in the blanks with the most suitable verbs form from the options. So all of you try to answer these questions. Okay, first a few questions I'm going to use. Okay, first three questions. Who will answer can raise a hand. Jashvi, can you read the first question? Jashvi, can you read the first question?
Okay, sir. Last week, Kapil dashed his birthday with his friends.
Yes, last week Kapil dash his birthday with his friends. Celebrate his birthday, celebrating, celebrated.
Last week, Kapil celebrates his birthday with his friends. Celebrates.
Celebrates is wrong answer. Celebrates the S form. Verb is having S form. Celebrates. That is used in simple present tense. But it is not present tense. It is last week. Last week it happened already. So already happened. So option A is wrong. Jashvi, choose another option.
Celebrated.
Yes, celebrated means already over. D is correct. Next, read the second question, Jashvi.
Ankit has dashed a new bike. Ankit has bought a new bike.
Very good. Bought. Whenever has comes, we have to use V3. So buy, bought, bought. So V3 is bought. So option A is correct. Very good. Third question.
Many years ago, there dashed two kings.
Yes.
Many years ago, there were two kings.
Was or were?
Were.
Were. Why were? Why not was?
Sir, many years ago there was two kings. It is not a sentence.
No, 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 no. Why don't you choose was? Because two kings are singular or plural.
Plurals.
Plural means we have to use were.
Yes, sir.
And are is also used for plural. Why don't you use are?
Sir, it is past, sir.
Yeah,
So,
very good. For past, what we have to use? Were.
past, how to use were.
Yes, many years ago means it is in the past tense. So we have to use were. Very good, Jashvi. You can mute yourself. And next student is going to answer. Srivatsav, can you read the fourth question? Srivatsav, can you read the fourth question? Srivatsav, you're not audible. Srivatsav, try to leave the class and join again. Bhuvana, Bhuvana,
Sir,
Bhuvana, read the fourth question.
Mohan always dash at night.
Yes.
Mohan always studies at night, sir.
Why did you choose studies? That is correct answer, but can you explain? What is the reason for choosing option C? Why don't you say Mohan always studying at night, Mohan always study at night, Mohan always being studied at night? Why did you choose studies only? Bono, have any reason? See,
Sir,
whenever the word always comes, that means it is a habit, right?
yes, sir.
All the habits must be told in simple present tense. About tense we are going to discuss later, but already we completed the syllabus. This is a revision. So for simple present tense, we always use verb plus S form for third person singular. Mohan is third person singular or not?
Yes, sir. Mohan
That's
is
why verb will take the S form. Study plus S form will become studies. Correct answer, Bhuwana. Read the fifth question.
his brother Dash taught us how to play chess.
His brothers Dash taught us how to play chess. Yes. Answer. Has taught, have taught, are taught, were taught.
Sir, have taught.
Have. Option B you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Correct answer, but why? Why don't you choose has?
Sir, because
What is the
sir,
difference between has and have?
sir has is
Has is used for singular, have is used for plural, right?
yes, sir.
His brothers singular or plural?
Plural, sir.
That's why. Okay. And next read the sixth question, Bhuvana.
He has been dash this movie for 2 hours.
Yes.
Sir, he has been watching this movie for 2 hours.
Yes. Why did you choose watching? Why don't you choose watched?
Sir, watched means already completed, but he still's watching, sir.
Very good. And can you tell me which tense is this sentence? Which tense is it in?
Sir, present tense.
Yeah, in present only. Which form? In present we have four forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Which form is this?
Sir, present
I gave
continue.
you one simple rule. Whenever you see since and for, it indicates that present perfect continuous, right?
Yes, sir.
Since are for, then it indicates present perfect continuous.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is a present perfect continuous tense?
Watching.
Structure: subject plus, has or have plus, been plus, V1 plus ing form, right? So
Yes.
that's why we are getting V1 plus ing form. Watch plus ing, it will become watching, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhuvana, you are able to give answers, but you are not able to give reasons. So tenses chapter you revise again. Go through the tenses chapter again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Bhuvana, very good. You can mute yourself. And next student, Sriyash. Sriyash, are you ready to give the answers?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. Yes, Sriyash, can you read seventh question now?
But he was quite well. He dashed to his office.
Okay.
He cannot go to office.
Though he was quite well, okay, he dashed to his office. See, cannot, when do you use cannot? That means to show his ability.
Sir,
First of all, you understood the first part of the sentence. Though he was quite well, what does it mean?
sir, I was joined late, sir.
No problem. I'm just asking the meaning of this first part. Though he was quite well, what does it mean? See, feeling well means he is healthy, right? He is not having any problem, illness.
Yes, sir.
Though he was quite well, he dashed to his office. He cannot go to his office. He should not go to office. He will not go to office. He did not go to office, which is correct.
He did not go to office.
Yeah, that is correct. You cannot use can. Can is wrong. Why? Because if something is the reason for going, that is to show his ability, then you have to use can. But it is not about the ability. He might have some other reasons. Though he was quite well, he did not go to the reason simply, right?
Yes, sir.
We read the next question, Aitman.
It is raining, so we dash stay at home.
Yes.
We might stay at home.
Why might? It is raining, so we dash stay at home.
Sir, we should
We
stay at
should.
home.
It is a compulsion. Otherwise, we get attracted by sickness, right?
Sir, might also come na, sir.
No, nobody is allowed to go in the rain outside, right? Especially children, because we might get sick. It is raining, so we should is a compulsion, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then also, if you want to use might, so here you should not use might. For me, for we should use may. We may do something, right? Might is in the past form. Ninth question, you read it now.
When I reached her home, she was dash food. She was cooking food.
Okay, why did you choose cooking?
Sir, because we cannot walk with food, we cannot play with food, and we cannot act with food. Sir.
Is this walking or waking?
Waking.
Right, so walking. L not there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
food we can. Yes, preparing the food is called cooking. Very good. So you can mute yourself, Sriyansh. Next student who is trying to give the next answers. Um, Pranay, can you give the next 23rd one answer? I'm sorry, this 10th one.
Sir,
Yeah, 10th question. Read it.
sir, it is good, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. Can you see now? 10th one.
Sir,
Okay, read the question.
she danced a car, so she will go to Delhi in it.
She dash a car, so she will go to Delhi in it. Yes, which option?
Sir, option B.
Option B has. She has, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. She had. She had is a past form. Now she is able to go to Delhi. That means she is a owner. She's having the ownership now, present form. So we have to say has, right?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you choose having? Having is also present form only, but why don't you choose having?
Sir, having is a past form, sir.
Yeah, having is also a present form, but we are not choosing having. Why? Because if having is there, it should be preceded by some helping verb like is or are. But is there any is or are in the sentence here after she?
Sir, no, sir.
We can say she is means we can say having. She is having, but there is no helping verb, so we have to go for has. Okay,
Okay.
very good. 11th one.
The mangoes dash being eaten by the poor children.
Yes, is being eaten by, are being eaten by, have being eaten by, has being eaten by.
Sir, option C.
Option C have.
Sir, sir, option D, sir. Sir.
Option D has. See, definitely is wrong, has is wrong. Why? Because the mangoes is singular or plural.
Sir, plural, sir.
The mangoes is plural, right? More than
Yes, sir.
one number, plural. So is we cannot use, has we cannot use. Then are is correct or have is correct.
Sir, R is correct, sir.
Why don't you choose have?
Sir, sir, they have used before singular noun.
Have plural only. Plural we can use have. Singular only has. See, whenever have comes in the present form, have plus V3. You remember present perfect tense structure? Pranay, you also need to revise tenses chapter again and remember all the structures of tenses. In present tense, how many different forms we discussed? Simple present tense and present continuous,
Perfect.
perfect present, and so Pranay, you must revise tenses chapter and tell me all the structures. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me. So whenever we have has or have in present perfect form, has or have will be followed by V3. But here being is there directly. If eaten is there, then we can use have eaten. But it is being eaten. Yes.
Yes, sir.
have is also gone. Only R is suitable here. The mangoes are being eaten by the poor children, right?
Yes, sir.
Which form is this called? Active form or passive form?
Passive form.
Yes, passive form. Active form, we can say the poor children ate the mangoes. And passive form, we can say subject and object will be reversed. The mangoes are being eaten by the poor children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Okay.
Everybody dash laughing at us.
Yes. Suppose you and your friend are participating in any skit. Okay.
Okay.
It is very funny. And then everybody dash laughing at us. Was laughing at us. Were laughing at us. Had and could.
Everybody was laughing at us.
Yes, everybody was laughing at us. Correct answer. But why don't you choose were? See, everybody is plural, even though it is plural, but we don't choose were because there is a rule. Everybody, nobody, like this, some group of persons are there. Even though it is plural, but we have to treat them as singular only. That means we have to use everybody was. Correct answer, Pranay. But you need to revise tenses chapter again and remember all the structures I'm going to ask you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can mute yourself now. Um, Next, Srivatsav, can you answer the next questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Srivatsav, I'm giving one question to you. Yes, Srivatsav, can you answer this?
He is poor, so he dash not by this house.
Wait a minute, Srivatsav. I'm going to give more questions. Yes, 13th question, you read it again.
He is poor, so he dash not by this house.
Yes, he is poor, so he dash not by his house. Should not buy this house, cannot buy this house, could not and would not. Which one?
Sir, can be. Option B.
Yes, option B is correct. It shows his inability. So either ability or inability to show we can use can. He is poor, so he cannot buy this house. So option B is correct. Very good. And read 14th question, Srivatsav.
Rina will come here to dash
Not
me.
her. What is this? HERE. What is this?
Here.
Here, yes. Read again.
Rina will come here to dash me.
Yes.
Meets.
Meeting, meets, met, meet. Which one is
Meets.
correct? Meets is wrong. I told you meets will come in simple present tense. Suppose if this is in simple present, then we can say, but will is there. Will is future tense, right?
Yes, sir.
In future tense, verb will not take the S form. Meet plus yes is meets. That is wrong. It will not take S form.
Meet.
Rina, yeah, meet is correct. Rina will come here to meet me. Okay. Next, read the 15th question.
Dash is injurious to health.
Yes.
Smoking.
Very good. Smoking is injurious to health. The noun form of smoking. That is, smoking is injurious to health. Very good. Srivastava, you can mute yourself. And Rishikesh, can you answer the next three questions?
Sir?
16th question, you can read it now.
Sir, 16th one.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask the class up to 8 o'clock.
No, 7:30. So already,
Okay.
I'm just not observing the time. So we'll answer these three and we'll go. Okay?
Okay, sir.
We can answer.
Sir, to score above 90% of dash study hard.
Okay. To score above 90%, one dash study hard. Which option?
Sir, C. Option C. Could.
No, not could. To score more than 90%, definitely you should study hard. Definitely means
Must.
yes, must. 17th one.
Dash I use your pen as I forgot mine at home.
Yes. Dash I use your pen as I forgot mine at home. You are requesting or you are ordering?
Sir, requesting.
Requesting should start with
Sir, yeah, option B.
yes. May I use your pen as I forgot mine at home? That means you are asking your friend permission. May I use your pen? So as I forgot mine. The 18th one.
He dash speak English very well.
Yes. Which option is correct?
Sir, option D. He can speak English very well.
Shows his ability. He can speak English very well. Very good. So Rishikesh, you can mute yourself. All the students, sorry, I forgot the time here. It is somewhat late. No problem. You can start getting ready for school now. Thank you, students, all of you, for joining the class. You may leave the class now.